Hi, and welcome back to the Data Innovation Summit Highlight Series. My name is Saranda Arifi. I'm an Editorial Director here at Hyperight, and in the next few weeks, I will be taking you on a journey to highlight the most important themes and sessions of the event and tell you why this year's edition is indeed a special one. The Data Innovation Summit agenda consists of 8 stages, all focusing on a separate theme, each theme representing a part of the data innovation engine, an engine that turns data into insight and insight into action. Today, I'm pleased to highlight the rich content on one of those stages called Applied Data Science and AI stage. The sessions are both business and technical, presenting a clear business output of data science, analytics, machine learning, and AI to enhance customer experience, improve business processes, reinvent business models, and create new ones. To simplify, this stage is all about why we innovate through data. Bear with me in the next few minutes to go through some of the most innovative company names in the world who are gathered in a stage full of practical case studies providing clear data and AI innovation examples, divided in 3 blocks: business ROI case studies, customer experience-oriented case studies, and operational improvement-oriented case studies. The first company to open and share their successful story in this journey is one of Japan's largest trading companies, Mitsubishi Corporation. One of the digital strategies of Mitsubishi Corporation is to realize digital transformation in the food industry by developing a food distribution data platform to gather data from food suppliers, food distributors, and food retailers to improve food demand prediction, minimize food loss, and optimize food logistics. This year, we are proud to host and to have for the first time with us Takuya Hirakuri, General Manager at Digital Strategy Department at the Mitsubishi Corporation, and Rei Kubonaga, the CTO at MC Digital, who are going to tell us about this initiative in their presentation. Next, Sebastian Facade is the Chief Data Officer at HRS Group, and Sebastian is bringing concrete examples of problems faced in setting up a large data function and how they are solving it. Also, how to set up your data function for it to scale as fast as your company grows. The head of data intelligence at EasyFairs International, Martin Bouters, is using a reverse technique to tell the audience about a story on what is needed to build data science capabilities and leverage ROI on AI. He will share the experience of a working machine learning project that they stopped because of misalignment between business and technology. A very important project experience about a feasibility study of system components for automated livestock monitoring using drones and AI in a field trial in Sweden will be shared by Mikhail Popov, a senior scientist at RISE Sweden. Of course, banking, and one of the fields where applied data science is mostly leveraged, is represented by the head of data section at DNB, Morten Bunes Gustafsson, who will shed light on how DNB uses data science to create value from data while respecting the customer's right to privacy, adding to the fact that banks are probably the most sensitive and first AI frontiers to enjoy its fruits and the bitterness of its ethical regulations. Next, on one of the biggest buzzwords, data-driven design in digital media services, Iris Lahti, former development director, data utilization at Sanoma Media Finland. She's introducing the learnings and best practices of how to utilize data and machine learning in designing digital media services, content, marketing, and better customer experiences. We are very excited to host Max Metral, Senior Analytics Manager at Formula One, who solves many critical business challenges with unlocking commercial value by better informing the decision-making. And at the Data Innovation Summit, Max is going to present an innovative AI computer vision case study, providing a sports industry view from a data analytics perspective. 2 great and enthusiastic speakers from Milton, Matthias Andersen and Martin Dixvet, both partners and senior analysts, will share and explain the relation between applied versus automated versus artificial intelligence. There is more. The following presentations are from our partners, to whom we are very thankful for joining us in this event. Johnny Dahlberg, a principal data architect at Pure Storage, will speak upon lessons for improving training performance. Unleashing the power of cloud-scale analytics for business efficiency with AI. An interesting presentation by Siddharth Kumar, Senior Manager, Financial Planning and Analysis, and Meha Saxena, Reporting Lead Architect at Electrolux, will be joined by Anika Valembro-Stoichevsky, Business Group Lead Cloud and AI at Microsoft. Next, we have Beyond the Hype, Overcoming Your AI Blockers by Brian Bell, Director of AI Engineering at DataRobot. Data Science for Smart Energy, another applied data science industry. Speeding up the data science life cycle through industry collaboration. A session hosted by Anders Tollen, Head of Automation for Finance and Treasury Reporting at Solita, Henrik Gott, Business Developer at Oresundskaft, and Robert Westin, Head of Data and Digitalization at City Energy Solutions, E.ON Sverige. AI Endgame by Chris Hillman, EMEA Data Science Practice Lead at Teradata. Next, we have Bisnode and how they help Hewlett-Packard Enterprise to uncover the potential new customers using smart data by Susanna Ferenzi, Marketing Director, North Europe at Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, and Hans Bunes, B2B Sales and Marketing GTM Advisor at Bisnode. What is the role of AI in modern business and how can you overcome the challenges that come with AI? By Rick Mutsayers, Principal Architect at Informatica. Last but not least, making EQT the digital leader in its industry. Strategies, cool features and learnings by Pietro Casella, Chief Architect at EQT Group. If you would like to know more details about the above-mentioned speakers and sessions, please go to our efficient link, datainnovationsummit.com, and explore our mega schedule. Join us and find out what we have prepared for you, and stay tuned for the most amazing speaker lineup that Stockholm has experienced so far. Thank you very much for joining. Until the next video, stay well, stay safe.